HBAR, man, 12 billion transactions have been done, completed as of June 22nd on the Hedera Hashgraph network, which we've done some deep dives here on the channel on HBAR. If you're interested in finding out more, I've got a playlist with HBAR content on it. Make sure you check it out. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, we've got playlists on a ton of top 100 cryptos, tons of things here right on the channel. Over 4,000 videos I've created here in a little over 2 years, all for you guys. I love doing it, so appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, 12 billion transactions. That's not even the lead story here. We're going to talk a little bit more about something else that's happening around HBAR in this video, and it has to do with ChatGPT and AI. So AI has been, well, a buzzword for a while, at least here in 2023, I guess late 2022, and there's been an AI boom, both in the stock market and in the cryptocurrency market. If you remember in early 2023, everybody was talking about ChatGPT. They still are, right? And even the AI crypto sector blossomed and boomed early on this year, which, pretty much aided in our little bit of a rally to start the year. Now, I want to talk about HBAR, though, and what they're doing with ChatGPT. So HBAR Crypto News, ChatGPT plugin live for the Hedera network. So this ChatGPT plugin actually interacts with Hedera network, enabling users to access HBAR and token balances seamlessly. That's pretty sweet. So here we go. This is a nice intersection here where blockchain meets AI. We know it's already happening. There's an entire sector dedicated toward it, right? But by leveraging the decentralized nature of blockchain networks, ChatGPT can securely interact with the Hedera network and its services, such as the Hedera Consensus Service, or HCS, or HTS, Hedera Token Service, and Smart Contract Service. The entire crypto sector is massive. Within it, you have the AI sector, which right now sits around 10 billion. You only have a few cryptos over $1 billion in that sector. The graph is one of those. This entire sector is going to blossom, and I think you're going to see top 100 cryptos make a run at AI, right? I think we're going to see not only what HBAR is doing, we're going to see it with Ethereum. We're going to see it with pretty much all layer ones out there. I love that HBAR is already thinking about it. They could be ahead of the game here. AI is not going away. We might be a little premature in terms of the gains we're seeing from, AI stocks and AI cryptos, and those could settle back down, but it's not going to slow down anytime soon. When we zoom out here, we're still super, super early, I think, to AI, and especially from an investment standpoint, we can get out in front of this, definitely. So the integration of ChatGPT with the Hedera network through this plugin enables ChatGPT to obtain HBAR and token balances of that specific account. This integration helps form an interaction between ChatGPT and blockchain, and it provides that intersection that I think a lot of us know is coming. We've talked about it. I've talked about it in some recent videos here on the channel about AI and blockchain, big data, right? What this does is it makes it much, much easier for users to monitor and manage their assets. AI is going to have a big, big influence, I think, on the next phase of cryptocurrency. And especially as we get more and more widespread adoption, AI is going to become increasingly important to do just that. Help people monitor and manage their assets easily, right? Now, accounts in Hedera are entities stored in the ledger that hold tokens, including HBAR, fungible tokens, and NFTs created on Hedera. Developer Ed Marquez took to Twitter to share how users can create the plugin. He writes about token balances of the Hedera account, saying, account balances can be viewed on the Network Explorer and obtained programmatically using the Mirror Node REST API. The plugin will use this REST API. Keep in mind that the network returns HBAR information in tiny bars, where 100 million are equivalent to one hash graph. Now, once the plugin is developed and the API is running, it'll be installed in the ChatGPT UI as well. With the plugin installed and enabled, ChatGPT can be queried about HBAR and the token balances of Hedera accounts. The plugin will make requests to the Hedera Mirror Node API to fetch the required information. So there are a ton of integrations that are going to be happening with AI, but with HBAR in particular here, their fast and low-cost transaction capabilities Financial transactions within ChatGPT environments become seamless and secure. So this could be a much, much bigger deal than people are talking about right now. Users can engage in microtransactions, access premium content, and participate in tokenized economies without worrying about high fees or delays, which is something that is a big concern on the Ethereum network. Now, it also opens the door for dApps. Now, these dApps can leverage the strengths of both tech, creating decentralized marketplaces, collaborative platforms, and rewarding user contributions, unlike any other dApps before. Again, utilizing and benefiting from the AI integration, Hedera could really start to separate themselves. Now, keep in mind, Hedera is not a blockchain. It's a very similar type of technology using hash graphs, a little bit different than blockchain already, but similar and very, very unique already. And this only makes them more and more attractive to both developers and investors, in my opinion. And I think this could be very, very bullish. We have seen an HBAR price, by the way, back up over the 5-cent mark surrounding this news. So very, very bullish here on HBAR. And this even makes me more bullish as we get this ChatGPT plugin on the Hedera network. Let me know what you guys are thinking about it down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Peace out. We'll see you. Bye.